I wasn't like so angry or anything. I was more disappointed in myself. I think I said that in the last video. But yeah, I wasn't angry or sad at all, but I was disappointed because it was more like a trial account for me because the money was real. Don't get me wrong, the money was very real. But trial in terms of I wanted to see what reduced risk and trust in the strategy would do, and it paid off. Got me all the way to live. But my emotions and other stuff outside of trading at the time just, definitely influenced my trading. But I stepped away because I was like, this doesn't make what? 10 losses in a row? Probably if I lost this one. Nah, not 10, maybe like 6 or 7. Losing trades. Wap, 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 wap. And you could do something to your self-esteem. The reason why I took this trade idea is because we broke this low. That is the low that was formed before this high, and the previous highs were broken as well as the gap. Welcome back to another video. Not sure if it's a continuation from the last video or not, but y'all know I lost the account. Yep, lost the live. Let me just load it up so you guys can see. It's like even though I lost this account, funded next still tripping out. I guess you could at least see the balance there. Yeah, I can't place any trades or anything on this account. It's invalid. Oh, here it is. Breached. Yeah, this is the most recent. Yep, your account has been paused due to breach monthly loss limit. So yeah, can't trade on this account. I wasn't too upset about the loss or anything. I was thinking about just taking a week off and just trade on the personal account and get myself back mentally where I want to be. But I'm in this trade. I sent it out to the community. Yeah, so I've been stepping away from the camera every now and again because I had something to do with it. But I'm here now. So as I was saying, I lost this account last week Friday. It's currently Monday, and I wasn't like so angry or anything. I was more disappointed in myself. I think I said that in the last video. But yeah, I wasn't angry or sad at all, but I was disappointed because it was more like a trial account for me because the money was real. Don't get me wrong, the money was very real. But trial in terms of I wanted to see what reduced risk and trust in the strategy would do, and it paid off. Got me all the way to live. But my emotions and other stuff outside of trading at the time just, definitely influenced my trading. That caused me to lose this account because it wasn't losing, trades according to the strategy. It was me entering trades that was not according to the strategy. Revenge trading, over leveraging, all due to other factors that was going on at the time. Because I honestly know that it was linked because my mind wasn't clear. I wasn't in the right mindset, and when I was able to reflect on that, I saw the cause. And the best thing for me to have done at the time was to step away from the charts. But yes, learn. I'm going to be taking another challenge pretty soon, but for now I'm still trading personal funds. First trade for the week, first trade sent out to the community as well, so let's see how this one goes. Yeah, actually been looking at possible buy, but then when price got down back to this area, I started to see how it moved. I changed my bias for a short-term sell, and the higher time frame also is in favor of a push to the downside, so let's see how it goes. Looks like a nice push on mobile. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, $20. Yeah, but let's see how it goes. Definitely gonna check back in with y'all at the end of the trade, so yeah, let me keep these videos back to being short. Welcome back. This is a motorbike, so I'm in this trade. Thought I should pull out the camera and show you how what's going on. I was advised in the last video in the comments that I should stop using not stop using the volume, but just take it off every now and again because it can be a distraction, and I totally agree, to be honest. Like at times the volume is a distraction. It's contradicting my other confirmations, and at other times it helps. For right now it's really and truly not doing anything. In a sense, it kind of did around here. Let me just mark it up around this little fair value gap there. So this wick and this wick, they were bearish volume bars, and they were almost as high as this large candle volume bar, and this other large candle volume bar. Actually, they were higher than this second large candle volume bar. So, you know, the volumes just for right now is working, but that isn't saying that it can't be distracting at times, because I totally agree. But we're in this one, sent it out to the community. If you could see, like, I entered this trade here. The next candle went that close to stop loss. Like, let me take off the volume. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. I, was at the charts when this large candle here was farming. This bearish candle right there. You get the point. But I stepped away because I was like, this doesn't make what? 10 losses in a row? Probably if I lost this one. Nah, not 10. Maybe like 6 or 7. Losing trades. Wap, 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 wap. And you could do something to your self-esteem. Came that close to stop loss. Let me see if I could really lengthen this thing so I could see how fast my heart would be beating if I was watching this thing. Really and truly. Like, if I put it exactly at the higher low, it gone. Thank God for backtesting. Thank God for journaling, because I journaled a situation like this in the past where it was really close to my stop loss, and by just giving it a pip or two more, it saved the trade. So I'm still in this trade. Everyone is still in this trade as well, since we're using the same broker. Like, I don't know if y'all guys see it. Let me come out of the frame. Right. So you see how close price actually was to my stop loss, is it? 2 stop loss, 2 trades. I could say 2 entries, we should say. And I don't even know how much I'm up. $13. Reduce risk, obviously. Oh, snap. Now I could possibly see it better. Yeah. And we up, I don't even know how much that is. Could you ask me? Right. So we up that much. And I'm holding the trade, because some might say my downfall, but I'm holding this trade. All the stop loss, now they're at the same place. And yeah, letting that one play out. I'm just going to, I'm gonna close the camera and come back in and give y'all an update in a couple. But as you can see right now, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive losses, 6 consecutive L's. And I had 1 win before that, and a L before that, and a break even before that. So you could basically say, like, in the last 9 trades, I've had 8 losses, bro. Last 9 trades, I've had 7 losses, 1 break even, 1 win. You imagine that out of 9 trades. This one here is my 10th trade. So losing this one would, it would do that to your self-esteem, you know. Finally get a before screenshot of these trades. The past couple days, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I've been unmotivated to document my losses. Like, I know the losses are just as important as the wins, to some extent even more important than the wins, because you learn more from a loss than a win. So I should be journaling the losses just as much as I journal the wins, but to have it consecutively and to lose the account as well, you know, the live account, while getting these losses and everything else that's going on, it's like, it can be a little unmotivated. But I'm still putting in the main points of the trade, so I could come back later, reflect on it, and then just add in the rest. But that's the trade. That's how it's going, and that's the parameters. So I'll come back in and check in with you guys once we either get to take profit or stop loss. So we're back, and that trade was an L. Obviously I read price wrong. This leg of price was the manipulation leg. I did not account that. Honestly, while I was away from the charts, that was the only thing I was thinking about. I was like, alright, this trade looks good. Everything is aligning nicely. The only thing that I haven't seen really is manipulation. We had this small little retracement taking out this pullback, but that wasn't like impulsive. It wasn't with a wick. It wasn't a pullback that was created before a high was taken, because if you see here, this high to the left of it was already broken before this pullback was created. So it didn't quite match the rules of it didn't quite match the rules of my strategy, but that's cool. We have confirmation of price movement to the downside. The only thing I would like to see before I enter it is a retracement back into this fair value gap up here, right where I actually got out of this trade here earlier. anywhere between there, price could just come back, and then I'll have a trade when I stop above that high. So the fact that we already taken this low is kinda iffy for me to still want to go in for a trade to the downside, because on the larger time frame, I can be honest with you, it's still looking a little bullish to me. Like, even though we had this little pullback and prices going down to the downside, it's still looking bullish to me. Like, this could just be a takeout to this retracement, and then we full close all these gaps and move. The one thing that is like valid for a move to the downside to me is the fact that we filled this gap here completely, this Sunday opening gap, and we also took the low, which is this low right now, that formed this fair value gap just before these highs were broken. So if we were in a move to the upside, I would not like this low to be broken, but let's see if price closes below it, if it's just a wick and then price go back up, fill the gaps. Let's see, this is on the hourly, so I'm not done with the charts for the day as yet, but that's how it is so far. We had a L. I'm gonna come back and check in with you guys once I have a trade, if I have a trade, and if not, then I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Yeah, so quick update, same day, different trade, different direction, same strategy. So this is the trade that I'm currently in. This is how it's going. This is the parameters I'm aiming for, the beginning of a recent fair value gap opening, so I'm aiming for here, anywhere inside this zone, extended out in time, that would be 1782 to 17961. So right now where it's at, it might react because it's also the beginning of another fair value gap the price hasn't touched, but let's see how it reacts here, and then we'll monitor to see how the trade reacts here. I'll also send this one out to the community as well, so let's see how it goes. So the reason why I took this trade idea is because we broke this low, that is the low that was formed before this high, and the previous highs were broken, as well as the gap, Sunday's opening gap on the 15, I believe you can see it, I think on the 5 as well. Yeah, all the way over here it filled that gap. So let's see if price has the strength to keep pushing to the downside, or where price will start to retrace from, and then we could possibly bring stop loss to break even, or take partials at this zone where the take profit is, because I don't actually have a take profit set, but mentally that's where I would like to get out of the trade. Still don't have a funded account as yet, still actually giving myself the week, and then next week I'll purchase a funded and we'll go again. But yeah, this is how that trade is for now. I'll possibly come in and give you guys an update once we get to take profit, or if we have a reversal, or whatever the case is. Boom, and we're back. Finally a win after 7 consecutive losses, bro. 7, wow. I'm not moved, but I'm glad at least the community got to catch this one as well. I was now preparing to go on the road, be honest with you, but we have a win. So what I lost this morning, I ended up making back, so I'm now positive 37 cents. But what I lost in 2 trades, I made in 1 trade of the same lot size. So risk management. I made more than what I lost with 1 trade, and risk management. So yeah, I think that would be it for this video. I don't want to make it too drawn out. I'm not gonna take more than 2 trades per day, still sticking to my rules regardless of the nonsense that I did with the live. It ain't gonna affect my trading still. So yeah, let's see it play out. Still sticking to my strategy, still using the same confirmations regardless of the losses. Let's see how it goes. But that'll be it for this one, and I'm definitely gonna catch you guys in the next one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.